Welcome to 837 Southeast Kierra Place. This townhome located in Strawberry Heights is single level with an attached double garage. Great room layout, good size primary, good size guest bathroom, has a ramp into the front door, good size fenced backyard, very nice neighborhood. Landscaping is quite good, front and back. Lots of parking space. The apron has room for 2 vehicles. The garage has room for 2 vehicles. And there's room for 2 out front on the curb. Makes a great owner-occupant property and also a very good rental. It's currently being used as a rental. Good tenant. Nice home. Now through the front door, you can see there's laminate flooring in this living space. The slider to the back and side yard right there. Cadet heating is what this home has. There is not currently a central heating system. Paint's in beautiful shape. Utility room is here in the great room area. You can see one of the cadets there. Kitchen is spacious. There's room for an island if somebody wanted to add it, and there is a pantry. Good sized pantry, well organized. Vaulted ceilings in here. Coat closet. Give one last look of that great room and the entrance. It's tiled entrance there. Great natural lighting in here. That's the water heater. Good artificial lighting too. Tub shower combination. In the guest bath. Another hall closet for linens. The primary, good size, fits a king bed comfortably. This is a queen, but a king fits in here too. Primary bath with tub shower combination also. Grab handles and the heater in here. Good size walk-in closet in the primary. Good lighting, good organization, just an exceptional walk-in. This floor plan really is the best floor plan in all of Strawberry Heights. Single level, great room layout, good sized bedrooms. Both guest bedrooms are about equal size. Both can fit a queen bed if necessary. That's a full-size bed. There are blinds throughout. Good-sized closets. Really just a fantastic layout. And then I'll give a quick glimpse of the garage because it is a true double garage. You can fit 2 cars in there. Good storage. 16-foot door. There's the electrical panel, the controller for the sprinkler system. Here in the backyard, this slider leads right into the great room. There's a sprinkler system. It just has a great little backyard. Enough room for dogs, kids, and also the southern exposure right here where I'm standing is quite good, so you could have raised beds and a little garden if you like. There's a hose bib back here too. And this side over here, being on the northern aspect, is well shaded. In the summertime, you can sit out here and not be overheated in this area that you see the table. There's also a gate straight ahead, so you can get in and out of the backyard easily.